my beauties, welcome to Beauties of B. What is it? It is Holi. Do me a favor, let's play Holi. It's Holi time. It's one of my favorite festivals and I love Holi like anything, but Holi comes with pros and cons. The color, we enjoy putting color, we love the festival, but we go for weeks looking pink and blue. That's just not happening. We tend to damage our skin, our hair and everything, all irritation and everything. So I thought of coming up with a video with a pre and post Holi care regime so that you can have a fuss free and tension free Holi on 2017. So make sure that you try all the steps and after Holi tell me whether it worked for you all or not. So first of all, let's begin with our hair. These chemical colors that we play with tend to dry our hair really badly. So the most important thing that you should do is put on a lot of oil. Use argan oil, olive oil, coconut oil, mustard oil, whichever oil you want. You make sure you oil your hair from root to the ends and braid it. You make sure that you braid your hair because when your hair is open, I know we all want to look all funky with open hair and everything, but we make sure definitely that you braid your hair. That way the color will not actually enter every part of your hair and you will have less damage. Personally, I love using coconut oil because I absolutely love that and it protects my hair from any kind of damage. Braid your hair and make sure you put on a scarf to prevent any more damage on the roots. Now you can go and play Holi. After that, after you're done playing Holi, still there will be color or something in your hair, no doubt. What you can do is make a pack, put one whole egg. If you don't want to put egg, then curd on your hair, especially on the roots, and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. You don't have to put any other ingredient. Then wash it off with normal herbal shampoo. What it will do is curd or egg will give the nourishment to your hair that the color took away, and it will also help in taking out the color of your hair very easily. And make sure you wash your hair with cold water and use herbal shampoo. Now that we are done with our hair, what about a beautiful face? Always remember to put a load of sunscreen. Make sure, first of all, I like using body oil, baby oil, like you can use olive oil, coconut oil, baby oil, anything to put in all those areas which is not covered, like your face, neck, hands, and try to wear fully covered clothes so that less amount of color is reaching your body. I know shorts and everything is really cool and everything, but it's not good for your skin and you might end up getting rashes, or it might get tough for you to get rid of the color. So try to cover yourself as much as possible, and on all those exposed areas put generous amount of olive oil, coconut oil, or any kind of oil. I personally like using baby oil, and you can also use it on your face. Of course you need to use it on your face. What does oil do is it will not let the color stick to your body in that way as it would normally be, and while removing it would be a easier task. And then make sure you put a ton of sunscreen because we'll be out the whole day, and sun, you know, it's really harmful for our skin. So make sure you put oil and also sunscreen so that your skin is well protected. Now for the lips, okay, try to avoid as much makeup as possible. No need to put any makeup. Sometimes color and makeup can get reacted and you might end up getting rashes, so avoid any kind of harsh makeup. But for the lips, make sure that you put very dark lipstick. What it would do is it would prevent the color from reaching your lips and staining them, so your lips will be well protected. But before that, make sure you put a good layer of lip balm and then put on the lipstick so your lips is well hydrated and nourished. Now for the nails, that pink stain or the color stain tends to be there for days or sometimes for weeks. So what we can do is put on some dark shade of nail paint and also cover the cuticles with some Vaseline so that your cuticles are well nourished and they don't get the color inside, and your nails are protected because you put dark color nail polish so that your nails remain all fine and well color free Then make sure that you don't have long nails. What it would be, if the color goes inside, then it will be very difficult for you to take that out. So make sure that you cut off all your nails so that the color don't get inside. Okay, now that I have said everything about the pre-Holi thing, now for what about the post-Holi? Make sure you take shower in cold water. Cold water tends to get rid of color more easily than warm water, and warm water may also burn your skin because of the color. Before you step into the shower, take some oil, any oil of your choice, and rub it on your skin first, and then try to wipe it off. What it would do is, it would get rid of the first layer of color for you. Even after that, some stain would be there. You can make an uptan of besan, curd, rose water and honey. Besan will make the ingredient very thick. The paste will be very thick. Curd is nourishing for your skin, and the honey is also very nourishing. This pack would take off all the excess color that is left. You can also use this uptan for your face. It is equally good for your face and body. Apply the pack and let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes, and then slowly scrub the product so that the color comes out with the besan, and you will see that the color will start coming off with the besan easily. And then you can step into your shower, take some herbal soap or shower. Don't use harsh shower gel, it's not that good during this time, and take shower in cold water so that the color comes off really easily. And make sure even after shower you apply some olive oil so that your body remains well nourished, and make sure you apply very good moisturizer for your face as well. Before 1 week or 5-6 days before Holi, make sure you don't go for any waxing, threading or anything as such, because our skin tend to be very sensitive after all these treatments. So color can affect us even harshly during this time. It's always advisable to go for waxing, cleanup or anything as such after Holi, not before Holi. Make sure you remove all your jewelry so that they don't get stained at all. And also, if you realize that the color has got some allergy or irritation, and you are having some kind of irritation, take fresh aloe vera leaves, cut it off and apply that gel on all those affected areas. It would really calm down the irritation and soothe your skin and make your skin soft and well nourished. I think with that I have mentioned every tip I want to give you all for Holi. So now that you have all the tips, make sure you apply them on your before playing Holi and even after, and make sure you come and tell me whether it was effective for you all or not. And have an awesome, safe, amazing Holi. Make sure you're safe and enjoy, and please write to me. I would wait for your comments. And happy Holi once again. Until next time, stay tuned, stay happy, stay glamorous. Love you. Bye bye.